Hello friends, we'll be discussing an illustration which will be related to the issue of shares on the basis of security premium being a part of it. This will be a small illustration just for your reference, or rather for your reiteration of securities premium included in the allotment account. Now, when we speak about security premium, or rather shares are being issued at premium, this premium can be either taken at the application level or can be taken at the allotment level. So if it is at application level, there's a different criteria altogether that we can understand when we have in-depth problems related to it. But when we have this as a base level of allotment, then in that cases, how the amount is supposed to be segregated is what we'll be learning in this small illustration for your reference. So let's start with the illustration now. Now, the illustration that has been mentioned here refers to Pioneer Equipments Limited. On 1st of October 2017, Pioneers Equipment Limited received an application for 250,000 shares. The face value of every share was 100 rupees, which was supposed to be issued, or rather which was issued at 25% premium. Now, this was further divided into application amount, which is amounting to, or rather the application amount was 25 per share. Allotment money was 75 per share, which includes the premium as well. And the balance is on the final call. However, final call was not made as I have mentioned in the question. Allotment money was duly received. They have also figured out that part, and we have to go ahead and figure out the journalizing of transactions here. So let's start with the journalization transaction first. Now, when it comes to journalizing transaction, the first entry that will be passing is the receipt of application money. So that will be 250,000 equity shares multiplied by the application money of 25 per share. That amounts to 62,50,000. Now, whatever application money we have received, we have to go ahead and further transfer it to the share capital. So let's pass that entry. Now, the next entry will be the amount that we are supposed to receive. That means share allotment account. Now, before we go on to the application, or rather the allotment amount, we have mentioned the entry as share allotment account debit to share capital to securities premium. Here we need to understand that on the face value of 100 rupees, if 25% is the premium amount, that means that will be 25 rupees as premium, which is included in the allotment account. So 75 rupees is the total allotment. So 75 rupees is the total allotment amount, which includes the premium as well. That means 25 rupees is the premium in the allotment. So if you subtract that from the allotment money, that means 50 rupees is the actual capital of the allotment here. So accordingly, you have to multiply that thing. The premium amount itself comes to 62,50,000. And now the capital amount related to the allotment will be 250,000 multiplied by 50. So the total amount that we are expected to receive on allotment is 1,87,50,000. That is the amount that we're supposed to receive. Simultaneously, as they've mentioned that everything related to the allotment has been received by us, so accordingly we can go ahead and mention the amount there. So that is the last entry that we have passed related to the allotment amount being received, because the question states only until allotment is what we have to journalize. The last part that I'm going to show you here is the bifurcation of the allotment money. So if the face value they have mentioned as 100, on that we have to add 25% as premium here. That means 25 rupees will be the additional premium. Now, this premium that we are talking about is included in the allotment money, which is for 50 or rather 75 rupees. So the 50 segregation refers to the capital that will be transferred to the capital account, and the balance 25 rupees out of 75 is the premium amount. So this is how the bifurcation is supposed to be done for this specific illustration, and this is how whenever a premium is included in the allotment amount, or wherever, or rather whichever entry it is supposed to be included, you have to bifurcate that thing from the capital. You have to segregate that thing from the capital amount, and then figure out how much is the amount that is going for capital and how much is the amount that is going for premium. So I hope this illustration has given you clarification about how to segregate the premium from the capital. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and keep subscribing to Ekeeda.